What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video am I gonna get trade also. I do really think and I see that people likes all my trade live videos, so we will get started, guys. First I want to start with the analyzing the market. It's very simple concept. So basically we kind of took this high, then we took this low. So basically I'm gonna expect the price to take this high, obviously. In the last price action, what do we see? We see here beautiful, created beautiful high highs and high lows. Yeah. And right now, yeah, we kind of seeing that they break this structure. Yeah. Now they retested. I was thinking that they're gonna come back here to do like a inverted head and shoulders, but they did not. They break, retested, and moving up. Yeah, if the price action we're gonna get to this area to break this structure, yeah, am I gonna enter the trade? The reason why, because that's gonna be first structure, second structure, and the third structure. If just in case the price action we're gonna get here, I'm gonna enter here a buy right away, and I'm gonna put my stop loss underneath here, something like that, and I'm gonna target this high, so which is gonna be 191. Am I gonna put it like that to make 2R? So if just in case, that's only if the price action will gonna move up. If not, then it is what it is, and we will see how everything was gonna end up. If just in case the price action just will gonna move down, then the trade is invalid and I'm gonna sit without a trade for today. But for now, that's kind of my plan. It's very simple, and at the same time you could see here we do have all our ICT traders who's gonna take shorts. So basically right now they do get enter here on the fair value gap, and they expecting the price to go down, and that's what they get, a bit of rejection. So if the price action we're gonna move up, stop the ICT traders, then we good to go. Plus we don't need to forget about our supply and demand traders, which they are here, 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 and even here. Yeah. Plus we do have more ICT traders. I think they are sitting here, so we do have plenty of spots, yeah, to target. Targeting where the stops for ICT, because the most popular concepts are smart money, which is supply and demand, and ICT traders. So basically I like to basically trade against them. So it actually works pretty well to me, because all of those people, they losing like 60-70% of the time, so I like to win 60-70% of the time. So we will see how everything was gonna end up. I'm gonna clean up my chart. I'm gonna delete this one, so everything to keep it clean, and we will go from there. Yep, I will keep you guys posted. So basically with that trade, actually I'm still in the trade because it's kind of consolidating right now, but I'm still in the trade though. So basically what happened yesterday, how I said, if it gets to this zone and breaks this high, I'm gonna enter a trade. So basically that's what I did, went to the profit, and it kind of will start just bouncing like at these zones. Yep, how you can see. And randomly the price action just went down. Here at this price action, yeah, when I saw this basically break this kind of high, here I stop this position from here, and I enter right here, and from here I'm kind of floating in profit. It almost kind of get to my TP, but I did not pull back real hardly, and right now it kind of makes his way back up. Yep, this is those sort of trades that it takes time, but we have to be patient on that, guys. How you could see, I enter right here. Once this candle broke this high, I enter a trade, and I was floating in profit. Right now I do floating in profit like $160 on on the history, guys. You can see that I took a stop loss of $100 right here. So right now only what I'm waiting is just the price action to move to the upside and hit my TP. I do hope like it's gonna end up, because I'm having like some sort of 1 to 3 risk to reward, something like that. Almost, yeah, almost 1 to 3. So it's pretty good. It's pretty good. I'm still waiting like the price to go to the upside, to the up and take this high. So it's the same plan, it's the same trade, and we will see how everything was gonna end up. Who knows? Maybe from this point the price action just we're gonna move back down and hit me with the stop loss. But hey, it is what it is. We just have to stay patient, focus, and keep the trade up and look for the profits and targets. I will keep you guys posted with the result on this trade. What's going on, guys? Man, this is insane. It happened literally what I said. So basically I said, who knows? Let me grab that. I was somewhere here and I was saying like, who knows, maybe we're gonna move to the TP. Either it just can go like to the downside, and it literally actually did. Went to my stop loss right away, man. This is insane, I'm telling you, because it went here, had a rejection, and just smashed to my stop loss. So today I lost, and there's nothing what I can do about it, guys. We're just gonna move on, and we'll see if anything else will gonna show up, like any setup, and I will take it. Even if it's a loss, I still think like I must share with you guys, because like you have to be transparent and show the losses as well. So yeah, guys, I was like very close to my TP and then hit my stop loss, and shit like that happen. You just have to take it how it is, and be alright with that. You get me? So yeah, guys, if you like this video, leave a like, leave a comment if you do have any questions, and we'll see you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.